Hello everyone, this is Adip Myers Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Shazam song catcher to your HTC ChaCha or any other Android phone. For this, you need to unlock the phone. After that, you have to hit at menu. At menu, you have to find one app. It's called Google Play Store, Android Market. Hit this one. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please check my video how you can do that. Here you have three options: apps, games and books. Hit at apps. At apps you have so many options: home, top, pet, top free. Hit at top free and you have to slide until you not find. Here it is, Shazam. Hit this one. If you not find as this, you have searching option here. Tap this one, type the name of application, download and install. Hit install here. Accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's only 10.78 megabyte. We have to wait a bit. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not gonna open from here. I will hit home button. After that, I will hit menu for show you exact location of these apps. Here is Shazam. Welcome to Shazam. Okay, some setup process, sign up, or if you put your email address and sign up, or hit skip one more time. Now you have to touch S button at the middle for whenever you listen in a song. Touch this at the middle for catch the song, or you want to know which song this is, you don't know. For example, let me show you. I'm gonna put one song. Okay, now I'm gonna tap this one and it's listening the song. And it's get the song, I think. See, Friends Are For by Tattoo. Exactly. So this is an awesome application. By this you not only know the song, you can download that song too. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the IRS Communication, www.irscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.